Hey guys, it's week number 4 of preparing for Google Professional Data Engineering certification. This update will be a short one because the week was pretty uneventful. I didn't complete that much, so the update will be short. Let's dive in. On this week, I have watched only one video course on the learning path about the foundations of data flow. Again, data flow keeps coming again and again, but looking at the sample questions of the exam itself, that's for a good reason. So I highly recommend, if you're preparing as well, don't miss out on data flow and learn about it, because there are plenty of questions about it in the exam. So, talking about the course, I've learned about the roles, data flow roles, and there are several. So the first one is data flow viewer. Speaks for itself. It gives you read-only access for data flow jobs. Data flow developer for view, update, and cancel permissions for data flow jobs, and data flow admin that gives you full access for data flow jobs, which gives you like the access for the whole variety of CRUD operations that you can do. Then a little bit about service accounts. So there are 3 service accounts relevant to dealing with data flow. The first one is data flow service agent, like an agent identity of the service, similar to other resources in Google Cloud. This service account is created and managed by Google and is responsible for orchestrating the job, checking quotas, creating VMs, basically the internal data flow stuff. Essentially, you almost never need to do anything with this service agent when we talk about the data flow. Next, we have the worker service account. By default, it's a compute engine service account that gets created for you in the project. And this service account represents data flow job when it tries to communicate with other GCP services. So to give you an example, when you have a data flow job that reads from cloud storage or reads from GCS, the permissions, the role or the viewer role you need to give to these worker service accounts, because it represents your job to other entities in GCP. And the final one is the submitter service account. For you as a user or for whatever entity tries to execute a data flow job, this entity needs the roles to do so. And for that, you need data flow developer admin, service account user to act as a worker service account, and for example, storage object admin to work with the data flow job assets in GCS. And essentially that's it for week number 7. As I said, not much, but trying to be consistent and recording these updates for you. If you're on this journey with me, then I wish you best of luck, and hopefully we will all succeed and get this certification. With that, thank you so much for watching and see you in the next updates. Bye bye.